Okay, Lucy, are you ready for your interview? Okay. Can you speak? Speak. Speak. There you go. That's very good. Very good trick. Now, can you give me 5? Wow. You're so smart. Oh. Okay. Is there anything else you want to tell the camera? No? Okay. Do you want to tell them what you're going to do today? Okay. You're quite quiet. You're very quiet. Can you stand up? Come here. Can you sit? That's not right. Sit. Sit. Good. Down. Can you do down? Down. Don't do it. She is about to speak, and I am asking her to get down. Come here, Pumpkin. Lucy, come here. Okay. Let's see. Down.
Oh.
That's pretty good. I had to help you, though. Oh, you're showing everyone your belly. That's good. Well, I think what's happening right now is that you're asking for FOOD a little too early. Isn't that true? Oh. Can you do belly? You don't want to. That was good. Okay. I know you're upset. I'm sorry, but you have to wait a little while. Come here. Why are you upset? You do that every time you want me to do something, don't you? Let's see if you'll do it on command. Back. Very good. Very good. Can you speak? Good. Lucy. 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 Your interview isn't over. Come here. Very good. Yeah, very pretty eyes. Did you know that? How about you give me 5 one more time? That's great. Can you bow? Can you bow? Good. Oh, you did down. Almost. I have to practice that with you a little longer. Can you roll over? Shh. Roll over. Don't. I know, you're upset. You're still cute, though. You're awfully cute. Up. Up. Lucy. Lucy. Up. That's good. Shall we finish the interview? Do you want to say anything to the camera? No? No. Lucy, do you know how old you are? Lucy, how old are you? How old are you? You're going to be 8 this year, aren't you? You're going to be 8? And look at you. You didn't look a day over 2. All right. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Give me 5. Give me 5. Good. That's a good wave goodbye.